These are finally in. These are the AirPods 4th generation with active noise cancellation. Oh my goodness. So let's do the quick unboxing. I'm going to do the other video clip. Simple little things. We've all seen these unboxings. I got them in a little late, so I'm doing this a little later than everybody else. Quick thing, that peel off, it's still so satisfying to peel that little sticker off. So satisfying. Here we go. Let's get these out. AirPods. Do I rip this open? No. Oh, look, it just slips out. Okay. I did brand these with Tech Amigo. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Well, that was all the unboxing. But first impressions, this is really tiny. This is really tiny compared to, whoa. Nope, nothing yet. Okay, well, this is really small or tiny compared to the AirPods Pro 2nd gen. It's all creamy. They're old. Yeah, I've had them for about 3-4 years. I don't remember how long, but I've had them for a while. But this is smaller. And I like this because the first in-ear headphones that I had, you might remember this if you're an OG fan of the Tech Amigo YouTube channel. These right here, the Beats Pros, these were the first video I ever made. Still have them. But this was a gigantic box. Then I went down to this size, which is the AirPods Pros. And now, let me see if I can do it. Oh, it's magnetized. These AirPods 4, AirPods Pro 2nd gen, and Beats Pros. I think these might be my favorite headphones in the future. I'm gonna tell you why. First glance, open them up. Nice. All right, we got the same thing we've always seen. All right, we got the Tech Amigo there. Yes, Tech Amigo, subscribe. When you take these out, these are smaller. These are lighter than my AirPods Pros. They feel lighter. I'm going to go ahead and check that later, but they feel lighter and they just fit. They just fit. Active noise cancellation is on right now. Let me see if I can take it off. All right. I think that's transparency mode. No, definitely not. Where's my phone? Okay, so this is noise cancellation. As you can see right there, focus camera. Noise cancellation is on. Spatial audio is on. It's not as good as my AirPods Pro 2nd gen, but what does feel great is the fit. The fit in my ear. I feel like I can wear these for a long time, but I can't because these do have a shorter battery life than my AirPods Pro 2nd gen. Let's talk this. I'm going to stop talking about the AirPods Pro 2nd gen, but I'm going to just talk about these. These fit miraculously in my ear. Very good. I'm going to do the shake test real quick. They stayed on. This one came off a little bit, so I can hear myself now. It's not the active noise cancellation, but as soon as I pop it in, there, noise cancellation back on. Noise cancellation is pretty good on this. Not too bad for a $179 AirPods. Here in Mexico, they cost me 4,299 pesos. It's not bad. It's not bad. But like I said, they are really comfortable in my ear. And I do wear my headphones a lot in bed because I have an Apple TV and I have an Apple TV in my room, or I'm just listening to, a podcast or watching a YouTube video. And the weird thing is I use active noise cancellation when I'm reading. I get easily distracted, so I use it a lot when I'm reading. And these just fit just really good in my ear. So I wonder how long I could actually wear them without even, acknowledging that they're there. Let's give it a try. First impressions, though, they're really cool. Oh, and when I popped them into my phone, that Tech Amigo logo right there, that Tech Amigo writing on here, came up also with a little animation, which was dope. That was awesome. This was just a short video unboxing, first impressions. I'm really liking it. As always, I'm going to do a 2 weeks later video on these. But so far, so good. Oh my God, and I forgot to tell you that it's USB-C. So these are the first AirPods that I have that are USB-C. All the other ones were Lightning, and this does have the little speaker at the bottom right there. This does have speaker at the bottom, so Find My, especially the hotels, because the hotels sheets are white. You don't know how many times that little feature has saved me from losing AirPods. This is really, really small. I'm probably gonna let my wife keep these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna let her keep these or the AirPods Pro 2nd gen, because she is still rocking the AirPods 2nd gen, the ones with the big ass stem. So I might let her rock my AirPods Pro 2nd gen, or I might just get rid of these depending on how I like these. But so far, I'm liking the fit feel. I'm liking the no tips, because in my other videos, a lot of people hated the tips. I might turn into a team no tips. Is that, well, I'm gonna give tips, but like no tips. I might, you know what I mean. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. No focus on the tech amigo. Yeah.